Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy Amazon gift card using your Amazon Pay balance. It is super easy, so let's get started. So first, log into your Amazon account, then head over to the search bar and type in Amazon gift card. Click on that option that says amazon.com e-gift card. Make sure it has the official Amazon logo under the standard section. Now, scroll down and enter the amount you want to send. Choose how you want it to delivered, either email or text message. Next, add the recipient's email address, fill in the rest of the details like the message and the sender name, and choose your delivery date. Once everything looks good, click on Add to Cart. Review your order and then click Proceed to Checkout. So for the payment method, make sure to select Amazon Pay balance. If needed, you can still add a credit or debit card. Just enter your card number, name, and other necessary info. And that's it. Your Amazon gift card will be sent using your Amazon Pay balance. Quick, simple, and secure. Thanks for watching.